Looking for the best way to keep your gadgets and workspace dust-free? Today, we're showing you the top 5 best electric air dusters that are powerful, portable, and perfect for cleaning PCs, keyboards, and more. Let's get started. Number 1 is X3Pro Mini Turbo Jet Fan 150,000 RPM. The X3Pro Mini Turbo Jet Fan is a powerful 150,000 RPM air duster designed for fast and effective cleaning. Its compact and cordless design makes it easy to carry, while the strong airflow quickly removes dust from electronics, laptops, and car interiors. A must-have for anyone who wants quick, hassle-free cleaning. Number 2 is Theragen X3Pro Turbo Jet Fan 150,000 RPM. This Theragen X3Pro Turbo Jet Fan packs the same 150,000 RPM speed, offering an even ergonomic and comfortable grip for longer cleaning sessions. Ideal for PC builders, gamers, and photographers. It helps keep delicate devices dust-free without using disposable air cans. Number 3 is 3-in-1 Electric Air Blower. This 3-in-1 electric air blower and pump is a multifunctional cleaning tool. It can blow dust, pump air, and even work as a vacuum pump, making it perfect for cleaning your gadgets and inflating items like air mattresses or pool toys. Its versatile design makes it a great travel companion. Number 4 is 500W21 Electric Air Duster and Pump. The 500WA 2-in-1 electric air duster is built for heavy-duty cleaning. With powerful airflow, it easily removes dust from hard-to-reach spots in computers, cars, and home electronics. Plus, the dual function lets you clean and inflate, giving you more value in one device. Number 5 is 150,000 RPM 2-inch-1 cordless air duster and suction. Finally, the 150,000 RPM 2-inch-1 cordless air duster and suction combines blowing and suction power in one gadget. This cordless design provides complete freedom for cleaning keyboards, car dashboards, and small electronics while also picking up loose debris. These were the top 5 best electric air dusters to keep your home, office, and gadgets clean. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gadget reviews.